Okay, my beautiful people, welcome to Florida Kitchen. We're gonna be making some fresh homemade tortillas. Mommy, could you show us how you do that again? Show us. Okay. You get a plastic bag, right?
Yeah.
And then you, oh, so this is where you're gonna make the tortilla. Wow. How is it you do it again? Show it to us.
Okay.
So you get a plastic bag, you fold it in the middle, kind of like that, and then you cut the end portion, and that's how you get this. Wow, you see? So we use Maseca, that's the most popular brand to make tortillas, gluten-free. And my dad loves how to make these types of tortillas. My mom makes the best tortillas from anywhere that I've tasted. She makes the best ones. So we're gonna be using some water.
Hot water.
Now, hot water? Or it doesn't matter? It doesn't matter, right?
No, hot water.
How much water do you put?
I don't have measure.
It's all by...
This is one water.
Okay, but how much water do you put?
No, this is
Depends on how much flour you add, right?
Exactly.
But what's the ideal? Let's say it has to be moist, like moist, I guess?
No, moist. Like that. Look.
Okay, not too much water, right?
No.
But enough for the flour to be like soft?
No soft, not much soft.
Okay.
You are going to see.
Okay. So it has to have this type of consistency.
Exactly.
Wow. Mommy, who showed you how to make tortillas?
Nicaraguan.
In Nicaragua, right?
Yeah.
So you add a little bit more water. So as long as it's not dry, but not too soft, it has to be a solid consistency, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you're gonna keep on mixing that?
We need more water.
Wow.
We are going to try.
Keep on trying it, right?
Keep on trying.
So that you don't feel that there's that dry flour, but you're gonna feel like it's solid enough, right? Solid enough. Wow. But who showed you in Nicaragua how to make tortillas?
Who showed me?
Who taught you?
My mom.
Your mom, right? At a very early age, right?
At 15 years.
15 years of age, right? Tortilla is a very famous...
But we have different process in Nicaragua.
Oh, okay, a different process. Tortillas are very popular, very extremely popular food in Nicaragua. And I think for all those other countries like Honduras, El Salvador, Guatemala, Mexico, I think Costa Rica also. It's more, tortillas mostly used in those countries that are mostly indigenous. Because Caribbean countries like Cuba or let's say Puerto Rico, they don't use tortillas, or even Dominican Republic, Venezuela, they don't use tortillas very much.
Only Honduras?
Like Central America and Mexico, that's pretty much it. But it's become widely popular because people like to eat tacos, so that's why they use the tortillas for the tacos. Wow.
Look, like this.
Right.
And then,
so it has to be solid, okay? And then you're gonna make it like a patty, right?
Like that.
Wow. This is like for you, it's like counting 1, 2, 3, right? It's super simple for you. Wow.
Okay.
So you're gonna wash your hands, right?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay. I'm going to clean this one.
Okay. And this is where you're gonna put the tortilla. Now some people, I've heard that some people actually make tortillas using machines, but you like it the more natural way of doing it, right?
Yeah.
I guess that the natural way, it tastes even better. Tastes so much better, because I've tried factory-based tortillas and they taste so much better the natural homemade way. Nicaraguan tortillas are very different from Mexican tortillas. Our tortillas are much bigger. Mexican tortillas are very small, and the taste is a tad different, actually quite different. Wow, Mom, so you're gonna look at that. That's just some talent right there. Wow. And these tortillas taste better than the actual restaurants where Nicaragua. Oh my. This is where I make it wrong. Wow, and it comes out perfect. So make sure that your skillet or your pan is, you know, hot enough.
Okay, go back.
Okay. And keep on doing it, right?
Yeah.
Wow. I tried to make tortillas, Mom, and it didn't come out good for me. I always did something wrong. Wow, and look at that. And then you do it by hand like that. You actually...
Some people don't use this.
Oh, okay.
Some people make it by hands. But
Wow. And in Nicaragua, they eat tortilla. Oh, make sure that it doesn't get burned. Wow, look, I like that brown effect right there. Oh, it tastes so good.
ellos no me vieron como yo. Te digo,
No, they didn't see it, Mom. You did it so fast. So we eat tortillas probably with in Nicaragua with churrasco, right? With steak. And they even eat tortillas even for breakfast, right?
yeah. Con gallo pinto.
Yeah, gallo pinto is the rice mixed with beans that we call gallo pinto in our country. Wow.
Okay.
Look at that. All her fingerprints right there. That looks really, really good.
I like it. To keep warm.
Oh, to keep warm, you put inside the little bag. Okay, perfect.
Look here.
Wow, Mom. Isn't that hot when you do that? It's not hot? Wow. That is just amazing. Alright then, so Mom is actually preparing another one, a patty. And she keeps on turning that every minutes to make sure that it doesn't get burned. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
And it actually fluffs up, right? It gets
Sometimes.
fluffy, right?
Yeah.
I like it when it gets fluffy.
Sometimes.
Wow. Best tortillas ever. And I made some rice here for tomorrow for the park. Made some rice. Look at that rice. Doesn't that look good? Put it low. I think I'm going to put it a little lower. Just a little lower. And I made extra rice. So, look at that. Mommy, that's amazing. Wow, so that's ready. And then you put that inside the bag, right?
Yeah.
To leave that warm?
To leave warm.
Right. Okay.
No.
Alrighty. Awesome. Mommy, how do you do it so simple? Sufficient.
Demasiado.
Daddy, why do you like my mom's tortillas so much? You like it, right? Daddy loves the tortillas Mom makes. And
Everybody make the same.
No, it's not the same, Mom. You make the best tortillas in the whole universe. And I've tried a lot of tortillas. And you make the best tortillas. And it's so simple for you.
Look.
And now you have to keep on. Look at that. Mommy, aren't you afraid that you could get burned?
No.
You're so used to it, right? I would have used a spatula. It's just crazy. The talent that you have in your hands to make tortillas.
Ojalá que tú tuvieras el talento para manejar un carro.
If you heard or understand what Mom said in Spanish, translate and write it down below. And let's see if you got it right. So you make a patty first. That's the first trick, is making a patty in a circular motion or circular fashion. And then you put it on top of the plastic.
Yeah.
Wow. That is amazing. Now you have to turn again, right?
Yeah.
Because it could
Not
get
yet.
burns very... Not yet? Okay.
Not yet.
Wow, Mom, so that's all to it, right?
Huh?
That's all to it. That's it. Wow. Yes, okay. So that's all to it, guys.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, comment, subscribe to my channel, share, and hopefully you guys could know how to make this. It looks simple, but it's actually not that simple. Alright, say bye, Mom.
Bye.
Alright, bye, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye. Wow, sorry, guys. My mom wanted me to show you how it goes up fluffy. Wow. Just amazing. Right, Mommy? It's so fluffy. That's what Mommy wanted me to show you guys. Alright, guys. This is it. Bye. Have a great one. Have a nice tortilla day.